Ladies and gentlemen, the following main event contest, special tag team elimination. Ladies and gentlemen, as one wrestler loses the fall, he will be removed from the ring area until one remaining wrestler is in the ring and will be declared the winner. Introducing from Wyoming, Steve Tracy, the Young Pistols.
All right, tag team elimination. As you heard, when a man is pinned, he must go back to the dressing room. We're going to have a 2-on-1 before this match is over. And here are the Freebirds.
Ladies and gentlemen, their opponents in this tag team elimination match to be accompanied by the Road Boss, Big Daddy Dink, and chairman of the board of the Diamond Exchange, Diamond Dallas Page, from Bad Street, USA, in Atlanta, Georgia, the greatest rock and roll band of all time, and United States Tag Team Champions, the Fabulous Freebirds!
You know, it almost looks like a street gang or guys coming out of a commune or something when they come in, because Big Daddy Dink, Diamond Dallas Page, the Diamond Doll are two, and of course the Freebirds. The numbers are really against you when you go up against them.
Well, it's definitely lopsided. You know, you can hear Michael Hayes attempting to sing on this record. They're very, big fans of rock. It sort of gives them that motivation to keep going. They like that beat. But they are ring veterans, no matter what they look like or what they appear to be. They're very anti-conformist type of guy. I'm very anti-conformist. I think the world stinks. But these guys are probably even more out of it than I am.
Well, wait a minute. Would you be more specific?
You don't want to get into that. No, let's just talk about the corruption, the immorality, the pollution, natural disasters. Doesn't look like the end of the world to me.
And I'm sure that's another conversation itself. All right. They are the World Six-Man Tag Team Champs along with Bad Street, and they are the U.S. Tag Team Champs of the Freebirds. Bad Street is not at ringside. That doesn't mean he's not around anywhere. He was directly responsible for the Freebirds winning the U.S. Tag Team belt at Super Brawl at the expense of the Young Pistols. And now, both teams embroiled now in a tag elimination match. Jimmy Jam and Steve of the Young Pistols to start out.
You can see the Young Pistols, they're starting off like they should on a very serious note, because as much tap dancing and swish and squashing that the Freebirds are doing here, they could turn on you any second and be on top of you. You gotta give them respect, baby.
Michael Hayes, as the Freebirds certainly are trying to do some intimidation here, with the crowd solidly behind the Pistols. Collar and elbow tie up. Up top, Jimmy Jam down. Great agility exhibited by Jimmy Jam Garvin. What a great reversal of a hip toss. And the drop kick. Steve of the Young Pistols missed that time. Went down too many times with the drop kick.
Yeah, fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. You're not going to get Jimmy Garvin twice with that same move. What I'm talking about, they can turn on you any second.
Sending Steve in. Steve trying to sunset flip kick. And drags him down one more time. This is our main event this week on WGN.
Quiet. He should have kept the pressure on that hold. There's no way Garvin got out of it, even though he held it on now. He puts that hold on the man, which is a smart idea. Hey! He didn't tag.
You should know. You should know, Larry Zbyszko. Listen, I can't believe you.
Well, again, they say that there's one truly happy man in town, the Village Idiot. I give you Pee-wee, the ref.
Yeah, and that brings up another point. Would you leave the referees alone, for crying out loud? They're just men trying to do their job, much like you. In many ways. All right, it's Tracy in against Jimmy Jam. Michael Hayes going to come in now.
You didn't say that.
Now, what's this all about? Why would they do something like that?
Well, the Young Pistols, got the momentum. Like I told you before, the Freebirds stop that momentum. I've been doing this for months and you haven't, picked it up yet. The two people got a momentum going. Stop their momentum. Play with their mind.
Side headlock.
Game.
Can I talk now?
No.
Side headlock over the top now. Michael Hayes. That time, I think Jimmy Jam pulled the ropes apart, enabling Steve to go through, and he hit hard on his shoulder.
We're sorry.
Well, he apologized. I didn't see anything, but I sure heard the smack.
Yeah, he's right. They certainly are sorry in many ways. Chop right to the chest now. And Steve in a lot of trouble after hitting hard on the floor with the shoulder. Tracy over to help him out. Big Daddy Dink down there also. Watch out. Jimmy Jam not letting the man back in.
You notice when he did that, Pee Wee, the referee, was facing completely the opposite direction. This is the type of timing and the type of, things you're going to have to deal with Freebirds.
Shut up!
Big Daddy Dink, he's a vicious individual on the outside as the Freebirds and Young Pistols continue this tag elimination match. Jimmy Jam feeling good right now. Taking the advantage of a fallen Steve of the Young Pistols.
Okay, a little thing about Jimmy Jam here. That wasn't the time to start playing with his hair.
Roll him up. 1, 2, 3, depending. What?
Ladies and gentlemen,
I don't believe it.
first eliminated, Jimmy Jam
He should have stayed on there.
He's eliminated, so it's going to be 2-on-1. And 2 of the Pistols against 1 of the Freebirds. Here comes Michael Hayes over the top. Over the top rope, and now Randy Anderson is disqualifying
Well, he
Steve.
should disqualify him, man. He threw him right over the top rope in front of the referee.
That's right. So Steve has to leave now. We have 1-on-1.
Steve of the Young Pistols eliminated.
Over the top rope, dumped him out. Therefore, it's Michael Hayes and Tracy 1-on-1 now, the remainder of this
So
match.
that was Jimmy Jam's fault. If you notice, he had the man down, and he went into like a little cockiness there instead of staying on the man, staying on him.
Sending Tracy and Michael Hayes trying to hip toss, which is blocked. Steve sends it to a backslide and executes it. 1, 2, no share, 2 count. Right to the midsection. Boy, we got a fight right now. What was the tag elimination is now a singles match between Michael Hayes and Tracy. Here we go. 1, 2. Only a 1 count that time. My
They
fault.
can't afford to make any mistakes now. There's only 1 man left for each team.
Caught the foot. Spins him around. And a left hand to the face. Crossed him up. Hayes up top. Clubbing forearm on the back of the neck. And Michael Hayes, who is known to be very, very vicious in World Championship Wrestling, trying to kick it in right now.
If you notice, he gets that quick shot to the back of the kidney, bottom of the lung. Keep that air out of there.
And Hayes slows it down right to the mat now.
He's slowing him down, but what he's trying to do is trying to keep the man from getting all that oxygen in. Give him a kick in the kidney. Grab him around the throat. Get that air going.
Back up top now. Tracy getting up. You take a look at this tremendous crowd on hand this Saturday morning on WGN. Right hand is blocked. And now Tracy with high impact blows to the side of the head.
Go!
Flying elbow. Right to the face. Sends him in.
Oh!
DDT and it missed.
I thought he telegraphed it, but Young Pistol caught him.
Big Daddy Dink up on the apron of the ring. Randy Anderson walking over to him, and here comes Tracy. He got him. He got him. Wait a minute. It's Bad Street. There he is. From out of nowhere. And a DDT. Tracy's out. And the Freebirds win. Oh my.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winners of the tag team elimination, the fabulous Freebirds.
Once again, it's a case of being outnumbered, counting Bad Street, counting Big Daddy Dink.
Always.
The Freebirds win the tag elimination match. Here's how it happened again, Larry.
Well, you're right. It's hard to beat the whole Diamond Exchange, but out of nowhere came Bad Street. If you know, Big Daddy Dink had Pee Wee, the referee, distracted. Boom, DDT, snapped the neck, and Bad Street was going. He was in and out like the Flash.
And the Freebirds going to win. Now, we're going to be going back to Buckingham Fountain in Chicago. But right now, here's WCW This Week.